Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to download Minecraft on PC. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So let's get right into the video. Once you're in your browser, search for minecraft.net, then click on the Minecraft's official website. Then if you have a Minecraft account, sign into it. Click on sign in with Microsoft. Here you have to give your email, then click on next and enter your password and sign in. Once you have signed in into Minecraft's official website with your account, then you will see an option like download launcher on Minecraft game launcher. You have to click on it, and here you have to click download launcher for Windows 10 or 11. Once you will download it, you will be able to use your Minecraft account in your Minecraft PC. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.